Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, the Bermuda Triangle is perhaps one of the most infamous mysterious places on Earth. This vast expanse of ocean has been the subject of countless tales, myths, and legends. Over the years, numerous ships and planes have reportedly vanished without a trace within this triangle. The eerie part, many of these disappearances happened under clear skies and calm seas. The area covers about 500,000 square miles of ocean off the southeastern tip of Florida. While it's a heavily traveled region for both ships and planes, it's the unexplained mysteries that have given the Bermuda Triangle its fearsome reputation. There's a wealth of evidence from various individuals who've experienced the triangle's oddities firsthand. Sailors often recount feeling as if they've entered a different world, with instruments going haywire and a palpable heaviness in the air. Pilots too have reported sudden fog, unexpected weather changes, and even compass anomalies. But what could be causing these strange occurrences? Over the years, theories have ranged from underwater city ruins and alien abductions to magnetic anomalies. Recent scientific investigations suggest that deep-sea vents releasing methane gas might be responsible for some of the maritime mysteries. The gas, when released, could potentially reduce the water's density, causing ships to sink rapidly. While science offers some answers, many incidents remain unexplained, making the Bermuda Triangle a perpetual enigma. As we continue our journey, we'll uncover even more mysterious places that have puzzled and fascinated generations. Before we dive into today's exciting content, a quick favor: if you're excited about what's coming up, give that like button a quick tap. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss out on our adventures. We'd also love to hear your initial thoughts, so drop a quick comment below. All right, let's jump right in. In the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert in Mauritania, an enormous and almost perfectly circular geological formation emerges, known as the Richat structure, or the Eye of the Sahara. Spanning approximately 25 miles in diameter, this striking blue and white pattern can be best appreciated from space, where it appears as a bold and enigmatic bullseye on the Earth's surface. Initially believed to be the remnants of an ancient meteorite impact, further studies have since ruled out this theory. Geologists now think the Richat structure was formed by the uplift of ancient rock, followed by millennia of erosion. The different rock layers eroded at different rates, leading to the concentric rings we see today. Despite its natural origins, the sheer symmetry and size of the Richat structure have given rise to numerous myths and legends. Some even speculate it could be the remains of the lost city of Atlantis, as described by the ancient philosopher Plato. Deep in the heart of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert lies a fiery pit that locals have dubbed the Door to Hell. This enormous crater, spanning over 230 feet in diameter, has been ablaze for nearly half a century, casting an eerie glow that can be seen for miles around. The story of this flaming chasm dates back to 1971. Soviet geologists, believing the site to be a substantial oil field, began drilling operations. To their astonishment, the ground beneath the drilling rig collapsed, creating a vast crater and releasing large quantities of methane gas. To prevent the spread of the potentially harmful gas, the decision was made to set it alight, thinking it would burn out within a few weeks. Decades later, the flames continue to burn, making it one of the most unusual and mesmerizing sights on the planet. While the fiery spectacle is a draw for adventurous tourists, it also serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of our planet. The Door to Hell stands as a testament to Earth's hidden mysteries, many of which lie just beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. As we journey further, each destination unveils a new layer of Earth's enigmatic tapestry, revealing a world filled with wonders both beautiful and baffling. Journeying to the arid plains of southern Peru, we encounter another of Earth's enigmatic wonders, the Nazca Lines. These massive geoglyphs etched into the desert floor have puzzled archaeologists and historians for decades. Spanning over 200 square miles, these intricate designs range from simple geometric shapes to complex depictions of animals like spiders, monkeys, and hummingbirds. Some of the largest figures stretch over 1,200 feet, making one wonder, for whom were these colossal drawings created, especially since they can be best appreciated from an aerial view. Many theories have been proposed regarding the purpose of the Nazca Lines. Some believe they had astronomical significance, acting as a sort of observatory, aligning with celestial bodies. Others speculate they had a ritualistic purpose related to water and fertility rites. Given the region's dry and inhospitable climate, there are also more unconventional theories. Given the line's visibility from the sky, some propose they were created as signals or landing markers for extraterrestrial visitors. While this idea is more speculative, it adds to the allure and mystery surrounding the geoglyphs. Despite extensive studies, the true purpose and the methods used to create these lines remain a mystery. The sheer scale and precision of the Nazca Lines, especially considering they were made over 1,000 years ago with rudimentary tools, is a testament to the capabilities of ancient civilizations and the enduring mysteries they've left behind. From the deserts of Peru, our journey of discovery continues, leading us to even more perplexing and awe-inspiring locations around the globe. In the scorching plains of Death Valley, California, a phenomenon occurs that has baffled scientists and visitors alike for decades. Stones that seem to move on their own. These rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, leave behind long trails on the desert floor, suggesting a journey across the landscape without any human or animal intervention. The mystery deepens when considering the environment. Death Valley is one of the hottest places on Earth, with temperatures often exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The ground is flat, hard, and devoid of any significant wind for most of the year. So what could possibly propel these massive stones across such terrain? For years, theories ranged from strong winds and perfectly formed ice sheets to magnetic fields and even extraterrestrial activity. However, recent scientific studies have shed some light on this enigma. It's believed that under certain winter conditions, rain can form thin sheets of ice around the stones. As the ice begins to melt under the morning sun, it can create a slick surface, allowing even gentle breezes to push the rocks, leaving trails in the softened mud below. Yet, even with this explanation, the sailing stones continue to captivate. They serve as a reminder that sometimes nature's simplest mysteries can be its most enchanting, urging us to look closer, think deeper, and appreciate the wondrous world around us. As our exploration continues, we'll delve deeper into Earth's captivating corners, where the line between the known and the unknown blurs. Off the coast of Yonaguni, the southernmost of the Ryukyu Islands in Japan, divers discovered something unexpected: massive underwater formations resembling architectural structures. These submerged formations, known as the Yonaguni Monument, include terraces, steps, and what appears to be grand plazas, all carved from solid rock. The debate over the origins of the Yonaguni Monument is fierce. Some believe that these structures are the remnants of an ancient civilization, possibly dating back more than 10,000 years, which would make them the oldest known structures of their kind. They argue that the precise angles and clear lines of the formations suggest man-made origins. However, others contend that these are natural formations, shaped by millennia of ocean currents and tectonic activity. They point to the absence of tools, pottery, or any other signs of human habitation as evidence. Whether the result of human ingenuity or the relentless forces of nature, the Yonaguni Monument is a hauntingly beautiful underwater mystery, urging us to reconsider what we know about ancient civilizations and the power of the ocean. Deep within the Peruvian Amazon, far from any volcanoes, flows a river that boils. Known to locals as Shane Timpishka, which translates to boiled with the heat of the sun, this river has temperatures so high that any animal unfortunate enough to fall in is instantly cooked. For years, the boiling river was considered a myth, a legend told by indigenous people. It was only when geoscientist Andres Russo embarked on an expedition that its existence was confirmed to the wider world. Stretching for nearly 4 miles and reaching temperatures of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, the river's heat is not due to volcanic activity, which makes its existence even more puzzling. Current theories suggest that the boiling waters might be heated by geothermal sources, where water seeps deep into the earth, gets heated by the planet's internal warmth, and then rises back to the surface. Yet, the exact mechanism remains a topic of research and debate. The boiling river stands as a testament to the countless mysteries that the Amazon, one of the world's most diverse and enigmatic ecosystems, still holds. It challenges explorers and scientists to venture into the unknown, to uncover the secrets that our planet continues to guard closely. In the remote plains of Cheng Kuang in Laos, thousands of giant stone jars scatter the landscape. ranging in size from small containers to massive vessels reaching almost 10 feet in height. The origin and purpose of these jars remain shrouded in mystery. Archaeological studies suggest that these stone jars date back to the Iron Age, around 500 BC to 500 AD. While local legends speak of a race of giants who once inhabited the region and used the jars to brew rice wine, researchers believe they might have been used for burial practices. Excavations have revealed human remains, beads, and ceramics around the jars, hinting at ancient funerary rites. However, the sheer number of jars, combined with the lack of comprehensive historical records, leaves many questions unanswered. Why were they placed in clusters? What tools were used to carve them? The Plain of Jars remains one of Southeast Asia's most enigmatic archaeological sites, a silent witness to millennia gone by. Nestled within the Chestnut Ridge Park in New York, the Eternal Flame Falls might seem like any other picturesque waterfall, but a closer look reveals a curious phenomenon. Beneath the cascading waters, a small grotto emits natural gas, which, when ignited, produces a flame. Remarkably, this flame remains lit almost year-round, even under the waterfall. The presence of a naturally occurring flame beneath a waterfall is rare, making the Eternal Flame Falls a unique geological wonder. While the source of the gas is believed to be ancient and extensive shale deposits deep beneath the Earth's surface, the exact mechanism that allows the flame to continue burning despite the waterfall's dampening effects is still a subject of study and wonder. For many visitors, the juxtaposition of fire and water, two opposing elements, creates not just a visual spectacle, but also a place of reflection on the delicate balance and mysteries of nature. In the icy realms of Antarctica, Taylor Glacier holds a macabre secret. From within its depths, a bright red liquid periodically oozes out, creating a stark contrast against the pristine white snow. This eerie phenomenon, known as the Blood Falls, was first discovered in 1911 and has been a source of both wonder and speculation ever since. The crimson color of the falls isn't due to blood, as the name might suggest. Instead, it's the result of iron-rich salt water oozing out from ancient seawater trapped beneath the glacier. When this iron-rich water comes into contact with the air, it oxidizes, much like rust, giving the falls their distinctive red hue. Beyond its visual intrigue, the Blood Falls also holds clues to life in extreme conditions. The water beneath the glacier, devoid of sunlight and oxygen, is home to a community of extremophiles, microorganisms that have adapted to thrive in such harsh environments. Their existence gives scientists hope that life could potentially exist in other extreme conditions, perhaps even on other planets. If you enjoyed diving into today's content as much as we did creating it, do us a favor and smash that like button. And if you don't want to miss out on more adventures with us, make sure to hit subscribe button. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started.